In this video, we are going to be looking at how to install or upload our online file transfer and sharing to our cPanel. So, look at it. These are some of the features. Feature with multiple file and folder support, multiple email experience, drag and drop support, preview files before downloading. All those are the features of it. After downloading, I go to my cPanel. From my cPanel, I will go to my file manager. So here is my file manager. From my file manager, I will go to the subdomain I will be using for this testing purposes, which is this. I name it as test. I've already uploaded my script. Then next I'm going to extract it. Extract files. So I've successfully extracted it. Let me close it. I open the extracted file. So let me select I'm moving them to the root folder. Move files. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. So next I'm going to click on up one level. Next I'm going to go back to my cPanel. This time around I want to create my databases. Yes, my SQL databases. So let me name my database as Droppy database, like this. Okay, let me copy it so that I still use it. Create database. Database has been created successfully. So next I click on go back. After successfully creating the database, I'm going to create the user. Next. So let me scroll down to create the user. Okay. This is my user. Yes, like this. Then next I click on create user. Successfully created the user. So next I click on go back again. After creating the database and the user, next I'm going to add the user to the database. Let me scroll down to add the user to the database. I'll make sure I select the one I just created. Droppy, yes. Yes. I click on that. I give up privileges to the user. Scroll down to make changes. Successfully given privilege to the user. So let me go back to copy my username. Copy. I go back to my file manager. This time around I will go to application, config, then next I edit my database. Edit. I click on edit. So I'm going to fill here. Username, I paste it there. Database, I paste it there, but I edit it. Yes. I paste it here. Then next I'm going to save change. Okay, success. Now let me go back to my. Okay, next I upload, click on up one level, copy my subdomain, copy the new tab, then paste it there, enter. Okay, so let me, I'm supposed to use /install, enter. Next I click on start. I'm going to fill this, then click on next. So here now let me say admin at example.com. Okay, let me just give you random. Let's see this. Create user. Okay, I click on close. Go to admin panel. I click on close. So here I use the password. What I use is admin at example.com. Admin at example.com. This is what I use as my admin name. Okay, I click on sign in. Now I've successfully installed it. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this and real tutorial on how to develop web applications. Thank you. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel.